Haha! After remove the door panel, that's probably your part number. We'll look that up later. I doubt this thing's out yet, but I'm going to show you how to get it out. Behold, the Kia. And this puppy actually tells you what it is. It is an EV6. And we're taking the door panel apart. And do you believe it's just one screw? Yes, it is. It is hidden behind this puppy right here, this little rubber. I use this puppy right here to get underneath and pop it up. One screw. Hey, look at B again. Get this puppy out of the way. You gotta use something like this. These clips are Kia prone, and they are prone to break, as did one of them on the bottom. And I will show you after I pulled really hard from the bottom. There is an actual notch. I'll show you when I get this thing off. And pop, 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 and lift upward. After you unplug this guy up out of your way, and you take this guy and lift him up, exposing a blue clip. Push this guy in. That's your door handle. Clip and clip. Let's get this guy out of the way. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Persistence, my friend. Persistence. So, tool like this. Both hands. This tab, these three tabs, need to be pushed down, and this puppy's pulled outward. These three, 1, 2, and 3. What these do actually I had it the wrong way. These three are for the actual other tabs, these guys. So what you do, persistently, watch, you can hear it snap in. See that? That's what you're fighting. You're fighting these three tabs. Okay? And this puppy pops out as well. So with this puppy, I put my finger here as I worked this guy out. So these guys can actually, so you can push this out and sort of get the side that you can see how it's coming out. Now the rest is up to this side. So you want to go here, lift these guys up as you pull outward. You see how it's coming out? I'm not going to do it with one hand. Hello. As long as you actually lift these guys out, you get the idea. See that? It'll pop right out. I'll show you. So as I'm pulling out, I use this guy to push this guy upward. Weasel this guy out. Capiche? Now you got it. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.